How to hide photos on iPhone's iOS 16. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can hide photos on iPhone if you're running the latest iOS 16 version. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, in order to hide photos on iPhone, just open the Photos app. Select the photo that you want to hide, right? So let's say this bag photo, I want to hide it. I just need to tap on the three dots icon from the top right, and here I'll find the option called hide in the eye icon. You just want to make sure to tap on it. When you tap on the hide button here, you just need to tap on hide photo, and the photo will be successfully hidden. Now in order to find that hidden photo, what you can do is just come to albums. Once you come to albums, scroll down, and here you'll find the option called hidden. You want to make sure to simply go ahead and tap on the hidden button. Now if you want, you can go ahead and then unlock this with the Face ID, but in this case, since I'm just recording it, I'll simply use my phone's passcode. So let me go ahead and then do that. So once I simply open up this hidden album over here, I'll be able to find the photos that I've hid over here. If I want to unhide it, tap on the three dots, I can select unhide. Now the other thing that you can actually do, which is just an extra tip for you, is that if you don't even want to see this hidden album over here, which means you want to hide the hidden section, in that case what you can actually do is open up settings. Once you open up settings, go to the option called photos over here, right? Tap on photos, and then here turn off the toggle next to show hidden album, and it will not even show the hidden album on your photos whenever you go to the albums tab. Now you can see it has disappeared. This is how you can hide photos on the iPhone's iOS 16 version. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.